Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your feet. Alternate between lifting through your heels, pressing down through the balls of your feet, and lowering your heels, lifting through your toes. Continue with this movement as you lift through your heels, press down through the balls of your feet, spreading your toes. And as you lower your heels, lift and spread through your toes, flexing the tendons through the tops of your feet. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your right leg. Extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue with this movement, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles, creating more flexibility and mobility in your joints. Pause and hold with your right leg extended. Point through your toes and flex through your heel, waking up the energy of your foot and ankle. Pausing, place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases. Stay connected to your breath as you lift your torso to upright and release. Repeating this sequence on the opposite side. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your left leg. Extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Gradually increasing your range of motion, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Pause and hold with your left leg extended. Point through your toes and flex through your heel, stretching through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle. Pausing, place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your left outer hip. Continue breathing deeply as you lift your torso to upright and release, returning to center. Adding a lateral stretch. Reach your arms overhead, interlace your fingers, and rotate your palms away. Alternate between stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your side body. Release and return to center, transitioning into a cat-cow stretch variation. Place your hands to your thighs. With an inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center. Exploring a lateral stretch variation, reach your left hand to your right leg and your right arm up and over to the left, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist, breathing wide into your right side body. Lift your torso to upright. Keep your left hand to your left leg, adding a twist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your right arm back and open to the right, rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Slowly unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Reach your right hand to your left leg and your left arm up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips, breathing wide into your left side body. Return to upright. Maintain your right hand to your left leg, adding a twist. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your left arm back and open to the left, extending towards straight, stretching through your spine, chest, and shoulders. Slowly unwind and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.